Tell me what you said about the Santa.
I guess I'm really on a good day.
Did you think you wouldn't be?
I think I would. Look! My stocking! Stocking! Stocking!
Wow, it looks full. Should we get it? I'll get it, babe. Oh. Here you go. Want to sit on the couch? And oh, right there is good.
Wow, what's in that?
Is this for me?
Everything in your stocking's for you.
I think I know what it is.
What? What?
Transformers! It sticks on the wall.
What? Cool.
Oh, you can
For your
decorate
bedroom?
Wow.
Oh my god, that's so cool. What else is in there? I see something else that says Transformers.
Oh, yeah.
Right in your hand. Right there.
That
The red
box.
thing.
This one?
Yeah.
What is that?